Draw the Otto cycle on a PV plot. Let us first understand what is an Otto cycle. An Otto cycle is an idealized thermodynamic cycle. Which is the basis for spark ignition engines. It consists of 4 processes, out of which 2 are isentropic processes and the other 2 are isochoric processes. We know that the 4 strokes of SI engine are intake strokes. Compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. All these strokes can be viewed on the PV plot as shown. As we can see on the PV plot, we get the following processes. Process 0 to 1 is the isobaric process. Process 1 to 2 is the isentropic compression process. Process 2 to 3 is the isochoric heat addition process. Process 3 to 4 is the isentropic expansion process. And the process 4 to 1, then to 0, is the isochoric heat removal and isobaric exhaust process. Now, let us understand these processes one by one. Process 0 to 1